Well, hello everybody. We're in Richmond IKEA today to have a bit of a walk around. There's a silhouette one outside. Let's see what we can find. Nuftig or Nuftig. Electric. Smalling. I feel like I should be touching these fluffy lamps. So this is called Sotenas. Rob, you'll never get your ass out of that one.
I beg your pardon.
See, I told you.
Oh my God, it's a beautiful baby elephant. Really are.
I'm pretending to open and shut things so I look like a genuine customer. Okay, Rob, I don't think you're supposed to have your feet on the furniture.
Let's go, as they say.
Or let's not go, as they say.
I bet you few have.
This thing doesn't do anything. Oh, look at these things. What they're for. $19. I think they might just stay right there. $8 for this. Look at these fluffy things, Rob.
Oh no.
Just put them back. We'll get thrown out of the shop. I feel like I need one of these box things. Decorative cactus. Decorative bamboo. $89.
Another bad thing to cost.
I feel like I need to try these taps. Hi, we're the Millers. Welcome to our 35 square metre home. I'm presuming these people are the Millers. And with all these holidays, I'm not surprised they can only afford a 35 square metre home. Some child's just been strangled. The classical horses running out of the sea picture. At $399, it's staying there. Look at all these containers. I feel like I should have more containers. Oh look, almond milk. Isn't that just another name for nut juice? Now I've completely lost Rob somewhere in this place. I think he's in the soft furnishings department. Does anybody understand these signs? I think I've done this bit. Bit confusing. Going around in circles. $30 on special. Octopus. Elephants. Oops. Oink oink. Snakes at a new lower price. Oh look, baby shit. Oh, look at this thing. It's a spaghetti stirrer. Pots. Cups. Don't think we need the rainbow one. What the hell are plant balls? Oh, I just love doing all this stuff with the trays and the food. Got my tray. Far too healthy. I'm not having that. Look at those. Swedish meatballs, garlic bread, and free parking.
That's good.
Made it to the end of IKEA. Took about 2 hours all up, but it's a wet day outside, so a bit of fun. Check you next time. And Rob, we didn't even get thrown out for taking a video.
Thank goodness.